Welcome back to Mario Party 11.
Super Mario Party, actually, we will be playing some not
Super Mario
game.
Party 1.
We'll get back to the regular Mario Party later. Let's do some soundstage.
Okay.
Whatever this is, what is this? Oh, this is that rhythm stuff that I saw in the trailer. Get the audience pumped with killer performance.
Is this like a rhythm minigame?
Yes, this rhythm heaven.
Rappa the Rappa?
So, Nail every beat.
Characters are
Nile?
Yep.
Crank the
Ryan's Peach, Luigi is Michael, Jay is Wario, and Marish is the other one.
Rosalina?
Yeah, Rosie.
Rosalina much taller than everyone else?
Rosie.
There's nothing wrong with Rosalina.
There's nothing wrong with
Is
Rosie.
she much taller than everyone else?
She is a tall girl.
Crank the volume, stand up.
Make sure you don't bump into anything or anyone around.
Maybe we actually should turn it up.
For what?
Because you got to listen for this stuff. Yeah. And might not be able to hear it over each other's bullshit. Yeah, okay.
Perfect.
But we'll try it.
Well, we can sort ourselves. Weird. I already told you who we are, so you won't get confused. Correct?
Should we be in our actual positions in the room or not?
Oh,
I think we were pretty close to that.
Use the strap, boys!
Well, I'm like in the first position.
I'm not going to use my strap
This
because
is the-
I am a gamer.
This is the first time I'm ever using the strap.
Another practice
today.
It's
Peach and
almost
Rosie are having a
time.
nice conversation.
Oh! I can move. Oh.
Are you ready, Wario?
Yeah.
How about you, Rosalina? And you, Peach?
I'm ready. I'm a ready person. There's so many spikes in this game.
Oh
There's
yeah.
so many spikes.
Because they can't use Goombas in the backgrounds anymore.
Spike is the new move.
Wait, why not?
Because
Goomba's
Goomba's playable. Ah.
Yeah.
Are we high-fiving? I want to high-five you
Is
guys.
this a cooperative game?
Doesn't get past the start.
I thought the river one was the co-op. Oh, they all got the little, like,
Oh,
little
shit.
sticks. Are those all spikes in the crowd, too?
Yes.
What are we doing?
It's like a 1-2 switch game.
One,
It
two,
is.
switch, yes.
Hey,
play the
Rosie,
monkey, like,
Peach,
rhythm
Luigi.
game.
Oh, it's like Rhythm Heaven. Is that what? That's. Oh. Oh, we have to match it with the claps.
Yeah.
Now I
Match
get it.
it to the other
Sometimes it just happens, like when I don't want it to.
one. You have to calm your head.
Actually, I am going to turn this up.
Hopefully it doesn't pick up too much in the audio, then. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh. Hit the blocks?
Oh, I see.
Okay. Okay. Early. So there's a timing to getting like max points. There's not gonna be much commentary this episode.
Focusing.
I'm focusing so much right now.
I wish it was more rhythm.
Ah, there's the rhythms there.
I don't know, it feels like it's just like various blocks. Like, it's not. The blocks aren't as rhythmic.
I mean, it's still timed with the.
Oh, what the fuck?
I called it!
I still got
Oh,
more
no.
than you.
Yeah.
No, everyone gets the same
I was
amount.
pretty bad with the beat.
Oh, wipe the windows. Okay. What now? Okay, that's pretty simple. This one's fun. I got the rhythm in me. We all have different ones? Okay. I didn't even
I
notice up
think it's
until
in
now.
total the same.
Oh, I thought that was.
You know what? We probably
Rosalina.
cover every single beat.
So I was on the second.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Double.
Calm down, you don't need that much.
I do quite like this, actually. This is fun. This is basically Rhythm Heaven.
This is.
Pull the tablecloth.
Oh shit! Yeah, there's no way.
Okay. Hold it like this. Okay. Oh, it's after. Okay. Okay, I think I get it. It didn't break at least. I dropped it. But You know, this is what happens when you don't put on your wrist strap. I did not know what to do.
So I got perfect except for the thwomps.
I didn't like that one.
Now that one it was a little weirder than the
The
other
thwomps?
ones.
How are you supposed to know at first?
Hey yo! What now? Bowser's gonna. Oh wait, sorry. Kamek's gonna show up. This was called what? Soundstage? I think I was winning until the
this is
third
called a
one.
stage, right? A
Yeah,
sound
you can
stage
wave at people.
It's like when
Or
you film
what's that?
something behind the scenes.
Oh, I'm the rhythmic monster. Oh, look at that dance!
Oh!
I'm killing it.
I really want to see every character's dance animation.
So we got to
Slash
win
white
with
people
everyone.
dancing.
Have you seen the top post? Taylor Swift during
At least I'm tied in second.
the live performance of All Day.
That's
Wow.
So it breaks down everything. That's cool. Want to do another round?
Look at that
I
last
think there's
one.
more mini games.
Look at the last one! 50, 50, 90,
I don't think you
22.
want to do it again.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm down to do it again. If you want to try something
I'm
else.
sure that I think there's more mini games. I remember seeing.
But let's play all the different ones.
I think it's cool how it breaks down to show you what you've been best at. I knew
Ryan,
I
we have exactly the same scores except the second one.
I killed it at the second one. Yeah, I thought me and you were like tied at the first one. I remember that. What's next for you?
Remix.
Just to remix it up. What now? Is that new mini games? Why is Rosalina in front of the TV?
Because she won.
But I just won, so I should be in front of the TV. Put that Peach Amiibo there.
Okay, every time you win something, you go up here.
New champ. Ooh, Skewer
Ooh.
the fruit. Yeah, I remember seeing the scoop. Oh, there's 5 this time. So do quick practice. Okay. Ooh, early. Getting them shish kebab on. Lemons! Oh, what are those Goombas? Those aren't Goombas! What are they?
Karibo.
Those are the ones from Mario World.
Yep.
What were you trying to say? I got perfect.
Ooh,
I got-
You know, I thought you got early.
Oh
at
no,
the
I
one,
got one early.
But you got the most overall.
I think I lost.
March.
Look at how he's looking at
I'm down for that.
Cheerleader Toads.
Ooh, toads carrying pom-poms, gender equality, am I right? Oh, you have to stop. Cool.
Yeah, look at that Koopa. Its mouth's like
Wait.
just open.
Yeah, he's a happy boy. Oh, Luigi. Is Luigi shorter than everyone else? This is a long one.
I'm shorter than everyone else.
I don't even know why I'm looking at myself so intently. It doesn't even matter where I look. Everyone's doing the same thing this time.
We're off beat.
Me and Mersh are locked in.
Jay, make a mistake.
Jay, don't make a mistake. I respect your rhythmic ability.
I made 2 mistakes.
Yo, me and
Oh,
Mersh
Oh, shit!
I always
Me and
fuck
Mersh
up
have
the
been
last
tied
one.
since like...
Three-way tie.
Flip the panel? Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's a cool picture. Oh, that's the Mario Odyssey picture. Oh, it's me! It's me!
Luigi, please.
This is literally a Rhythm Heaven game. There's something exactly like this in Rhythm Heaven. Wait.
No!
Daisy!
Ooh, hey.
Oh, High fives.
High fives.
Faster.
Faster.
Let's go.
Oh, the rest of the minigames are very fast. Oh, it's the
let's
same one,
go.
but faster. Oh shit! Oh, we're doing marching again, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me and Marish were tied up until this point. Now I think he pulled ahead. Oh my god, this is freaking me out, dude. Oh, I messed up.
Yeah!
I can't believe you stepped.
Oh, I forgot to hit the
Oh, I always forget.
My arms are getting a little tired.
Yeah.
This one's gonna be hard. This
Oh,
is the
fuck.
hardest one for sure. What? Did Marish the only one didn't mess up? I never get that one.
Just listen to the music, man.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh!
That was fun. I like that mode.
Yeah.
Good game.
What up in time? 12
Hey,
minutes?
everyone!
Want to do one more round?
I tried
this?
so
Yeah,
hard.
another remix round.
Yeah, sure.
I think Rosalina won, right?
I think so.
Rosie.
Hit him like stat.
No, you know what? This was skill. And also your arm not getting that tired. The marching minigame definitely wore me out.
The end of the marching mini game. I just didn't do
Like, I just
anything.
started taking a breather here and
Yeah.
then wave at the freaking screen.
Wait, just fucking wait.
Look at me and Marish like tied up until round 4. As soon as it sped up, he got ahead of me. Oh, Jay, you were leading for a while, right?
Yeah, the last.
Yeah, Jay was ahead for like the first half of it,
Mhm.
and then around the time where you got tired, he also fell behind.
Yeah. That's one more encore. What's next for you people?
That wasn't even hard!
Hard mode!
Do it.
Fuck. Well, I thought your arms were tired.
I'm so hard right
Oh,
now.
this is my left.
I'm
one.
so hard. I like Wario's dance. You know, you're doing pretty well for someone with such a thick frame, Jay. What now? Hit the pitch.
Oh.
Okay. We haven't even done this one yet. Oh, it's probably a hard remix after this, too. Ooh. I don't think I've hit a single one correctly.
I cannot hit the fastballs at all.
They're color-coded.
Yeah, I know, but I just can't hit them.
What's this?
I don't think I haven't hit a single one
Wow.
right. I hit 0 right.
That one's pretty.
Pull the rein.
What is that motion? What is that supposed
That is,
forwarding
that
back?
is definitely a jerking motion.
You're just jerking it.
Oh, the rings move in place of everyone messing up. I'm messing up a lot
Damn.
this time.
I
I'm
thought it was
blowing
shit
it.
at that one, but then I think
I'm
Jay just
blowing
messed
it.
up.
That one's
Strike
hard.
a pose. This is a
Bam.
Wii Play game, isn't it?
Oh, Waluigi! Of course.
Oh, God. Okay. Oh, what?
Oh, I don't go.
I think I'm starting to get it. Whoops.
Oh, fuck.
Sometimes you do when you're not supposed to go.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I don't think it
Got
did well.
it.
I definitely blew chunks at this one. I think Marish won, probably.
Think so, probably, yeah.
Okay,
I played horribly this time.
The baseball one's hard.
I like Peach's
I
waving
messed
animation.
up that one real bad. You can definitely wave.
Hey guys,
Yo.
welcome back to
Hey, guys.
JREMLP.
Okay, those are all JPEG toads. I'm guessing there's a hard remix too.
Oh god.
I should have time for that.
Yep. This is a short mode, but this is a fun mode.
Yeah.
I quite like
Marish,
this
you're
mode.
so good.
It's all luck.
I blew chunks of that game.
Oh!
Oh, we
We gotta move.
completed the mode. We got one of the Infinity Stones.
We got the Soul Stone.
Wait,
Oh, then we got this Gem of Spirit.
We got the Spirit Stone, dude. Literally Infinity War, just like Mario
my God.
Tennis Aces was.
Peach, I don't feel so good.
I didn't do anything. Actually, I won one time, but I guess as long as we play, right? Wow, that was amazing.
Damn right.
You cleared hard. I love doing things hard. God, I'm so hard right now.
You shouldn't be saying that while Toadette's talking.
God, I'm so hard right now.
Why
FBI.
is Monty there?
Yeah, I open up.
We'll do one more round of that. Just
Let's do another mode.
I would like to do another move.
we'll do that in another video. So we'll just
Oh,
make
it's
this
not
around
okay.
20
I'm gonna
minutes.
crank your volume. If you don't mind.
What if I use the wrist strap this time, like a good boy?
Maybe that's the secret. Maybe that's why I
We
won.
don't have to see this again. Peach, how tough of a... I kind of like the remix one because that was longer, but we can do hard. What do you guys want to do?
Remakes are hard. I think I just pooch.
Okay,
I want to do a different.
That's your remix. Remix.
Okay,
Go
we'll do
ahead and do
remix.
anything.
I just want a nice 20-minute video.
That's the safe cheater use these.
I would do this, but I'm afraid to hit the table.
He's a scared boy.
Hey guys,
What up? I like
Welcome
how
back.
you can wave.
to JREMLP.
They didn't do this at the beginning of the other ones.
They did.
Yeah, they
Just
did.
the first one, though.
Oh yeah,
Every time you exit and enter this mode, I guess.
Okay. Just to test your timing a little bit before you're locked in. Let's go for it.
yeah. Let's give them a
Mario's
good
really big
performance.
hands. It's
yeah,
gonna be
this
this
one.
one this time, but we didn't have that last time we did the remix, so it changes every time. I think I was good at this one particularly.
I can't get this one off.
This and the windshield wipers were like the ones I was good at. Maybe not.
Wow, I'm bad at this one.
I'm getting all late.
Me too. I'm bad.
Oh, we're all bad. Oh shit! I forgot about that.
Oh, it caps out. So.
Yeah, that one's a set amount. So.
Oh, it's mixing us all up with whatever. I'm glad it changes every time. though.
Yeah.
Let's each round you play good. I think think I was okay at this one. Are we all doing the same thing on this one?
I think so.
This and the marching game were like doing the same thing.
Yeah, same pattern for everyone so far.
Once you mess up that one at all, it all goes wrong.
I got like
Yeah.
100 early.
That was terrible. Like, you can't recover from a mistake.
Waluigi time.
Oh, wow!
Is it Waluigi? It has to be someone random. It's Waluigi again! What if you play as Waluigi?
It's probably
And it's still Waluigi.
Who's the leader? I was late.
that pose.
That's a good pose.
That's nice.
It's a good pose. Okay, Rosalie was definitely not in the same time as Wario then. Can't we do this one fast, am I right?
We all
This
got
is also literally Rhythm Heaven, by the way.
We all got this one pretty good.
Yeah. It's because of Waluigi.
Oh.
Perfect! Perfect! I know when I messed up
The
too.
start, right?
Yeah, it was like the first one. I'm doing better at the fast one.
I think it was like the margins are the same, so it's actually like relatively bigger.
I'm sometimes jumping by accident.
Ah, I forgot.
Don't worry, if you forget that one, you're okay.
Again? Oh, right.
It's the same ones. Fiddler on the hoof. I'm doing really bad at this one fast.
Look ahead.
Jay!
Don't mind it. The last part.
God damn it!
The last part.
We all caught up to Jay at the end.
The last part got like consecutive earlies and lates.
I did post.
This is the same choreography, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. But you might not get picked in the same order, right?
Ooh.
I think Marish won by a little bit, because I think he was ahead of me before.
But I did terrible on the horse race.
Yeah, but I did terrible too. I'm the only one waving. Come on, appreciate the
Well,
fans.
Peach has the best waving animation.
Oh, for sure, she has the best every animation. That's just how it is.
Look at Wario's
This guy.
stand. It's so big.
Peach is objectively a bad character. You just like her because you grew up with her.
Oh!
I grew up with Peach.
Yeah.
I grew up with all these characters except
She was a big
Rosalina.
part of your childhood.
Literally
You know what I
picked
mean?
all these characters except Rosalina as a kid.
Ryan masturbates to Peach.
Whoa!
Yeah, you know what? Yes, I do, and I still do. I'm gonna do it right now.
I can confirm.
Time to stop. It's time to stop.
Alright, see you guys next time.
Yeah, you
Stop
beat me by
here.
like 2 points.
Yeah.